Start with your core, slow and controlled. Fire up your glutes, lift and squeeze. Strengthen your upper body, push and stabilize. Unleash your low burns. You're done. Feel stronger. Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends to help us grow. Thanks for your support. Lie down and bring your arms and legs up. Now slowly extend your right arm and left leg. Keep your core tight, don't arch your back. Bring it back, now switch sides. Come onto your side, place your elbow under your shoulder. Lift your hips, hold strong. Now gently lift your top leg forward and back. Lie down and lift your hips into a bridge. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Now lift one leg, keep your hips stable. Come into a high plank. Keep your body straight. Now slowly bend your arms into a push-up. Push back up. Now reach one arm forward. Come onto all fours. Extend your right leg back. Now pulse it up slowly. Small control tight and don't arch your back. Place your hands behind you and lift your hips. Bend your elbows and push back up. Now switch. Extend opposite arm and leg. Great job, you made it to the end. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Your body is stronger, more balanced, and energized. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. See you in the next session. Give your feedback in the comments box. Thanks.